Good morning, people, from the beautiful Communist Republic of California. We are at the Harbor Freight and we are getting ready to pick up some tools because we are going to go and do a Will It Run. A Will It Run of epic proportions because it is going to need to run 600 plus miles back to Idaho because homeless Newel needs a car to get back from this wedding that we're at. So let's go check this out. We got to go for a bit of a drive. Hey Hood Rats, we are here in beautiful Morgan Hill, California. It is an awesome day and I couldn't ask for a better break in the weather and all the rain to check out this awesome project. Look at this. We have a 1979 Honda Accord CVCC. Well, here you have it, Hood Rats. A 1979 Honda Accord CVCC. 1.8 liters of fury. Yeah, man, this thing is clean. Check it out. We got these awesome louvers. Man, the 70s just love this. Mid to late 70s louvers. Oh, don't even get to use your windshield wiper in the back. But here you go. This is the first generation Accord right here, guys. This is a little bit bigger than the actual Civic. Inside, we got a beautiful maroon interior, lots of cobwebs. He'll have lots of friends to ride back with him. We got the grill right there. Headliner is pretty decent shape, man. Holy cow, you're gonna have to keep it red.
Maybe.
Inside, boy, that smells just like a 1990s Honda. The same smell. How's this dash? Oh, she ain't bad, guys. Check that out. Yeah, dude.
Look at this.
Your tire pressures.
And over here we got this tag still there, made in Japan. Japón, 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 Japón. Cool little, these are all extra.
So, here's the sitch. We got to see if we can get this bad boy to run over 600 miles back up and over the Donner Pass, where people have been cannibalized and eaten, and hopefully get this all the way back home to Idaho. Yeah, that's going to be homeless Newell's job to drive it all the way back. So, let's see if we can get her to bark off. We've got a fresh battery. We have some fuel, and we even got a fuel pump. So let's see what we can do.
You ready?
Huh? Yeah, hopefully she doesn't catch on fire.
All right, here's the key. Make it happen, crappin'.
That was more than a snog. Oh, I think she's gonna go. Another little snog, another little crank. No dice.
No dice. We got spark. One check. Okay. Yeah, we got it.
Okay.
Yeah, we got spark.
Okay, you hear that, guys? We got sparkles. We have the top plate off of the carburetor. We have pulled two of our kind of main jets. We got one blown out, and we stuck a little pine needle from those redwood trees back there.
That didn't really go in. It was the blowing.
It was the blowing. So we blew it out, and we were able to get some of it. That is some Gator Done 91.
No, 87.
Oh. And let's see how clean that is. I don't think you're going to get that out of there without pouring the whole thing out. So let's put the other one in. So just to show you guys, if you look through, you can't see any sunlight through this. You're not going to see it even if I were to get it perfectly on camera, but no sunlight and no blowy. So, and it smells like old gas. We're going to cut just one wire off of our ground wire to the engine to get this guy going. That is called white trash ingenuity.
That's called redneck Get Her Done.
Homemade jet cleaning tool.
Boom. And there she's gone through. See?
Oh, nice. And wiggle it around, let it hit the sides a little.
Sorry.
I'm not putting that in. There's no way. My wife would kill me.
There we go. That's clean right there.
Hey, buddy!
I went in the car of the front of the car.
Wow!
You see, I got in the car.
You got in the car?
Yeah, I got it in the front. See, I got in the...
Wait, did you turn the car on?
Yeah.
Wait, you did? Oh, no, you didn't. Okay, we have our gasket back on. We're about to throw some RTV. Got everything cleaned out. Jet's cleaned. Let's pop some RTV on this and call it good.
Is that it?
No. Oh, butts, that came shooting out. Okay, that's good. Okay, watch out. Totally.
All right. You just playing? Skipping? Do you know how to skip?
Yeah.
Show me how you skip. Ben, you're a good skipper.
Baba, poo-poo.
What? You got to poop?
Yeah.
Do you?
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go see if we can use the bathroom. Come on. Let's go.
Are you still cranking or was it running for a second?
I let go.
So it went. So go for it again. Give it some throttle. Like hold it at like two. No, hold it at like 1,000. 10 years, right? At least about 8 to 10 years. You think it's been sitting? It could be.
Not that I was going to say, is there any more adjustment, a little bit more on the?
Yeah, I might kick it back to here more. Hold the RPM if you can. You having fun, buddy? Okay.
Today, you mean?
Ever.
Oh, I can smell. You smell that?
What?
I smell the. Look at this. I smell liquid. I smell water.
Well, here's a couple of things, guys. We've got a good amount of what looks like coolant or condensation in the oil. Our oil dipstick right here, she's
Pretty milky.
got some milkiness to her. But we can get her to idle, which is nice. We're trying to figure out if we want to make the trip. Guys, just as the rain came, we are at a crossroads. We're trying to figure out what we're gonna do. Don't know if we've got maybe just a lot of condensation in this rig, or if we're dealing with maybe a blown head gasket. We can get it to idle pretty well, and you know, it's blowing a lot of smoke, but maybe we do it. We gotta reach out to a local friend, see if they can't help us out, do a little bit of work. I can't work on it too much because I'm here for a wedding, so stay tuned and we'll see what goes on. Hey guys, Honda didn't work out, so we're going Toyota. And what's better is it's a 22R rear-wheel drive Celica, 1982? 1982, right?
Yep.
Oh yeah. Well, let's see if she fires up. Come on, baby. Come on. You're just cold. Wake up. Time to do work. Come on, baby girl. Oh, yeah.
Nice.
What do you think, homeless Newel?
I think it'll get us to Idaho. I'm gonna go for it.
You're going to do it?
Yeah. That's probably one of the easiest will it runs we've ever seen. So hopefully,
And we didn't even have to do anything. You did it all.
so we'll see how she goes.